We are recovering this gigantic Ikea sectional cushion. This is one of those multicolored sectionals that you have, and he also needed to have these two toss cushions covered. Open through the threads. When you do this, you just want to make sure you don't cut on your foam cushion. So 1 inch off the zipper, and it's just, you measure where you're actually going to sew, not where your edge is, because it's going to be long. So this is 47. Just fold ½ inch. I had it right. It should go together, and it does. Yay! So now I'm coming to the end of the tape. I'll just snip this off and maybe snip this into the same size. Cushion is all made and it top stitched. So now I'm going to stuff my cushion all nice and tight. So, okay, I had a little bit trouble stuffing my cushion. The reason for that was because I didn't bring my zipper far enough here around the corner because of the shortage of the material, but I did manage to stuff the cushion with a bit difficulty. So I suppose what we should say is that for these Ikea couches, reserve 3 yards of material per sofa cushion and expect to only get 1 toss cushion out of it.